So the Maverick wants to elevate the Usain Bolt football playing saga out of the gutter this evening. We want to lift it above whether or not people should have a right to criticize Bolt's football skills, or because Bolt is Bolt, nobody must say anything negative about him, even if it's true. That madness aside, it's getting clearer and clearer that this new chapter in the life of Usain Bolt is more about marketing, PR, and making money than it is about playing football. The sad thing about it is Jamaica is missing out again. There was a lot of talk that we never fully capitalized on Bolt's global appeal while he was competing. But now that he's retired, we're missing the boat again by making the mistake of thinking that with Bolt's retirement, his appeal, popularity, and marketability would disappear completely. We're wrong again. Indeed, now is the time that Bolt's ambassadorial duties should have stepped up to Jamaica, cause him have more time. But while we're there, fast asleep, in comes Central Coast Australia, a tourist destination ready to facilitate and welcome Usain Bolt, with the net effect of getting more people to watch their football team and more people to visit Usain Bolt's new hometown. All of this while Jamaica, with our tourist industry, is missing out again. And you know, when the Mavericks say these things, them say me this and me that, and me suit them too pretty, and me talk too loud and blah, blah, blah. But look, we have a thing named myopia that is crippling Jamaica. Oh yes, we suffer from widespread myopia. It's a disease of the brain and the mind and the imagination. Yes. Google it. Myopia. Yes. No. It has nothing to do with mosquito. It's myopia. Myopia. It has nothing to do